Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some DIY photo backdrops, whether you have a small business or for your social media, using items I found at the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree. I got some foam boards. They have some amazing stuff. So I got some different types of backdrops. I got this faux Carrera marble. This is contact paper. It was in like the kitchen shelf liner section. I love this. So that's what I made this backdrop with, and I'll show you in a second how I made this. I also got some self-adhesive like subway tiles that I thought were really good. I was gonna put these together and make like a faux kitchen to take some like mug photos and that sort of thing. So this was in the decor section. Also in the decor section was these little wallpapers. They're peel and stick wallpapers. This one is reclaimed wood planks, and this one is herringbone. I just love these. They had a few other patterns as well. So pick some backdrops that you thought would be good. I also have some plain contact paper. I think I'm gonna make like a plain pale pink one for my branding, that sort of thing. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to create beautiful backdrops for your small business social media, or maybe you wanna take better product pictures for your website, but you really don't wanna invest in these super expensive backdrops, let's go ahead and make these. Okay, so I'm gonna use some tools I already have around the craft room. The only thing you might need extra that you might not have in your craft room is an X-OXO knife or a cutting knife. This is from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm also using a squeegee. This is actually a wallpaper squeegee when we had removable wallpaper at our old house. You can also use like a CRICUT roller or a CRICUT scraper, whatever you have access to. I would also recommend a cutting mat so you don't cut your countertop. And I'm gonna use this lip edge ruler I had from my sewing and quilting days. Totally not necessary. You can use a ruler or just eyeball it. Let's go ahead and make some backdrops. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I've already got this part of the foam board cut from earlier, so I'm just gonna use this. I kind of messed up this one, so I'm gonna use this for this backdrop. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere. All right, that one's good enough. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's do the other ones and then we can take some mock-up pictures to show you how they work. Okay, so I have this one. I'm gonna try get more than one out of here. So yes, we can do that. So this is the reclaimed wood. Ooh, says peel, crack, and peel here. Oh. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it this way. That's so cool that they do that. I'm gonna put it on the edge. Okay. I'm gonna take my CRICUT scraper tool just to show you that you can do it with that. So we're gonna start peeling. We're just going to lift up and kind of peel. And we're gonna scrape. Look at that, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do our other one. And we might just put it on the same one. Crack and peel. So now that everything is nice and smooth, I'm gonna take that ruler and my straight edge or my X-OXO knife and just trim away that foam board. It's super easy to trim, but watch your fingers, of course. And I'm just trimming all the white off and getting it as straight as I can. And look how gorgeous this is. Again, going through, just cutting my edges to make it nice and clean. And I think this is awesome. All right, next up is the contact paper, and this is a little trickier because it's in bigger sheets. So what I did is the same technique as you kind of peel off just a little bit to show a little section, and then we are going to carefully squeegee this down using our big wallpaper scraper tool. You could use a big CRICUT scraper, and then I'm just gonna gently cut around this contact paper. It's super sticky, and then just fold around the edges, and then you have a beautiful faux marble backdrop. I just love this. All of these items again are from the Dollar Tree, and I think this project turned out fantastic. So for less than $10, you could have some amazing backdrops from the Dollar Tree. So I'll insert some pictures right here to show these backdrops in action. You really can have professional looking photos on a budget. So check out your local Dollar Tree for all these supplies. And let's check out the photos that I took right here. So I'm just using my little camera stand and created my own little faux backdrop. I'm gonna use my ring light to add some light. And here are my product photos that I took. I think these turn out fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit that little thumbs up. That helps me more than you know. I will link the exact products I used in the description box below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.